Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix it's time to close Instagram app problem. Okay, let's start the video. Now follow my all steps. I have solved the problem. Now first open your Play Store app and search Instagram. Now update your Instagram app. Instagram app is updated. Go to your phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps. Now search Instagram, tap on Instagram, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and tap on only clear cache. Tap on back button, tap on permission and now allow all permission. Now open your Instagram app. Tap on profile icon. Tap on 3-line menu. Tap on time management. Tap on daily limit and turn off daily limit option. And finally, I hope solved your problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much.